Your last quest is to copyright your website, to tell your viewers and your readers what your intentions are as the designer, the author, and the creator. Here's how this works. You're going to go to the following website, creativecommons.org, and that has an S in it, creativecommons.org. And you're going to go to this particular tab which says Share Your Work. When you click on Share Your Work, it looks like this. Doop-de-doop-de-doo. Excellent. Share your work. You're going to be selecting a license for your work. And that license kind of tells people, are you allowing them to make money from your website? Are you allowing them to share it in excitement with other people? Are you allowing them to share it and manipulate it or adjust it in any way? Or can they just kind of show people what you've done? That's kind of what a license is all about. You're going to go to this right menu bar here where it says License Types, and you're going to click on License Types. Now this has a little bit of information about all the different licenses that you can select, and the cool thing is that you can actually get multiple licenses, multiple kinds of licenses, and I'll show you how to do that. Underneath licensing types, there's a link here that says Publish Your Work with a Creative Commons license. You're going to click on that, and you're going to get this page. And let me just kind of shrink it a little bit so you can see multiple things at the same time. I know it looks really small, but when you look at it, it's going to make a lot more sense. So here's the deal. You've got some decisions to make here. Are you going to allow adaptations of your works to be shared? You've got three choices. Yes, totally, no problem. No, I'm not going to allow any sharing. Or yes, as long as others share alike. Now watch what happens when I click under selected license. Watch what happens. The picture changes. And in fact, it changes under there where it says have a web page as well. Let me show you again. If I go back to yes, and then if I say yes, as long as they're willing to share the way I am, the picture changes. If I say no, those pictures change again. Those symbols change again. So I'm going to change yes, as long as others share alike. Are you going to allow commercial uses of your work? Are you going to allow someone to make money off of your website? Yes or no? Here's what happens depending on what you choose. There you go. So I'm going to choose yes for now. So the selected license you have is the Attribution Share Alike 4.0 International. Okay, that's the license. And so what you're going to do right now to license your website is you're going to take a screenshot. Remember how to take a screenshot on a Chromebook. We've done it a few times. And there's your image. You can also grab this HTML and put that on your Weebly site if you want, but I find it just as easy to take the image. Then you're going to go to your Weebly site and you're going to just embed it as an actual image. So I'm going to drag it down to the bottom of the home page. And I'm going to upload an image from my computer. And that image that I took should be on my desktop. Oh, there it is. Doo-doo-doo. And there is my license that I just put on my website. I hope, ladies and gentlemen, that by licensing your work, you show some pride in all the work that you've done this unit, but I also hope it makes you aware of the pride that others sometimes feel about their work as well when you're looking at their work online. Congratulations, you've made it through, and I look forward to seeing you at the Invention Convention. Bye-bye.